Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and please keep watching. Alright, so this video was a subscriber request from Kira, and it was for Carrie LaRae and I to do a collab video. So Kira, thank you so much, and Carrie, thank you for agreeing to do this with me. So I suggested that we use the Lovers palette by Cosmic Brushes, because it's a palette that we both love, and I believe Kara said she also really loves this palette, so it's perfect. Here is what the palette looks like. And I need to go ahead and do my lips really quick because I haven't done those yet. So I'm just going to start with the NYX Duck Plumping Lip Liner. The rest of my base obviously is done. I'm not sure if Carrie's going to do a full face of makeup or not, but just to not have like a hour-long video, I was like, I'm going to do my base and then just kind of do everything else as we go. Foundation on the lips, per usual. Alright, you guys, so let me do this really quick because my lips are really tiny. And if you guys hear any weird noises, we have had torrential downpours. Luckily, we didn't have any flash flooding, but the sump pump in the basement is going off. I film in a tiny, tiny little corner of my basement, and we just got so much rain. The ground's so saturated that this thing is just running nonstop. So I apologize for that. But it keeps my basement dry, so it has to keep running. But a little bit, let's see. Now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in the shade Super Neutral. So if you guys don't know Carrie, she has a makeup channel as well here on YouTube. It's Carrie LaRae. I'll have it linked in my description box. And Carrie is the Razzle Dazzle Queen. That's like her term. And it's just, I can't say Razzle Dazzle without laughing. It's just something that I don't know. It's just one of those things that just makes you happy. And she's really funny. She has the best laugh. She does. Amazing, amazing looks. So I know that you guys would love her. So go check out her channel. And I'm going to go ahead because I don't want to keep blabbing you guys. So I'm going to do like a blue-green eye and a pinkish purplish eye, because that's kind of what we're working with this palette. This palette is absolutely phenomenal. Cosmic Brushes has a really, really good formula. Their shimmers, I love shimmers, are phenomenal. Highly, highly recommend them. All right, I want to start with the shade Partnership right here. So yeah, and I usually do two different eyes. If you're new here, you might not know that. So yeah, I'll do blue, green, pink, purple. All right, you guys. So how are you all doing? If you're here from Carrie's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Like I said, I know we've been getting a lot of rain, and if you're like in the Midwest or the South, you've been absolutely pummeled. So I hope everyone is okay. I hope everyone is staying safe. Man, like my heart goes out to you if you're affected by this crazy weather that we've been having. It's a really, really, really pretty shade. I like that a lot. Now, I'm going to go in with the shade Values, and I'm just going to buff it out with that shade. Also, I'm just trying to keep an eye on the weather because the dogs are outside, because it's been raining so much they haven't been able to get their outside time, and it's supposed to start raining again, I don't know, in the next 30-ish minutes, so I might have to jump up from doing this. I'm trying to get it done before the rain starts. Also, are you guys Cosmic Brushes fans, or are you an indie makeup fan? What's your favorite makeup brand? I don't think I can pick, because there's just, each brand just has so many good things, and even drugstore too. Like I also love drugstore makeup. I'm going to go in with the shade Trust and just deepen the outer portion of the eye right here. Like NYX Cosmetics has been just so good lately, and the new Morphe blush trio, which is what I have on, mixed with one of the NYX highlighters, phenomenal, phenomenal. If you guys have not tried those, I highly, highly recommend them. All right, now I'm going to, for the lower lash line, I just want to take the shade. Okay, so this shade does have some sparkle in it, but those usually blend out. So I'm going to go with the shade Mutual. And again, you guys, I'm so sorry for the sump pump noise. If you're wondering what that is. And there's just water draining. You can just hear it. It's actually really relaxing. Like, I feel like I'm like at a spa or something. So I'm here for it. But that's what that noise is. If you're like, what is going on in her house? It's just, you know, the sump pump and the water running underground because it's rained so much here. Okay, now I need to pick a shimmer. The shade Truth is calling to me. It's this one right here. Just looks so, so, so beautiful. So I'm going to go in with that. It's kind of giving me like ocean vibes, which goes well with the sound effects. Which, by the way, if you guys can't hear that, I feel like you could because my mic picks up just about everything. But if you can't, that's going to be really funny because you're going to be like, what is she talking about? Oh, those shimmers. Oh my goodness. So, so, so pretty. All right, now I need to go in with a little lower inner corner highlight, and I think I'm gonna go with the shade Promise, which is the shade right here. I thought I turned my phone off, but it just went off. I mean, not off, but the sound off, but who knows? We're just gonna have all kinds of sound effects today. All right, you guys, so we have one eye done. Let's get started on the other eye. All right, so I'm gonna start with the shade Harmony, which is the shade right here. I have one other video on my channel with this palette. I can't remember what shades I used, but I hope this is at least a little different from what I used then. But if it's similar, I apologize. All right. Let's go with Attraction because it doesn't look like I've used that shade yet. Just to blend out with the shade Harmony. And I need a bang trim again. My bangs. Like, I wish my hair would grow as fast as my bangs. I know that sounds weird, but I swear my bangs grow faster. Because these suckers need to trim like every 2 to 3 weeks. All right. Now, let's go in with the shade Soulmates, just to deepen out the outer corner of the eye. thought my palette was gonna fall. You can also kind of hear the birds. Usually they're more vocal, but I think they know it's going to storm more, so they're just not really happy. Okay, I need to... Let's see. I guess I will take the shade... Let's go with the shade Self-Love for the, just for the lower lash line. All right. Now I'll put some glitter glue down. Okay. Now, I feel like I probably used the shade Connection last time, but I really want to use it again because it's just so pretty. It's the shade right here. Yeah. That is just gorgeous. Love that, love that. That is just such a beautiful, beautiful shade. All right. Now for a little lower inner corner highlight. Let's go with Companion. It's that one right there. I mean, you can't go wrong. All these shades are so just gorgeous. All right. So, if you're from Carrie's channel, and you're new here, I cannot do mascara on camera. I just can't, or eyeliner. So I'm gonna put a little bit of liquid liner on top, some mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna put on a little bit of my favorite setting spray, the Rick and Morty Glam Light setting spray. I love that setting spray so much. It has the best scent, and it's just so refreshing. I love it. All right, and also you guys, I just wanted to show you this Morphe Cheek Thrills blush. This is in the shade Après Ski. Like, how cute is this packaging? And so this is a cream. This is like a, what would you call this? Like a, what is the word? Like a glimmer cream. It's got like some little shimmer, like a shimmer cream. And then this is a powder. I'm like losing my words right now, but I have all three of those on, and it does have like a little plastic thing to cover the creams to keep them from drying out. These are phenomenal. They have, I think, like 6 or 8 shades in this line. I own like 4 of them. They're all phenomenal. They just came out. They're 19 bucks each. And then I also went in with this NYX Buttermelt highlighter in the shade You Butta Work. So yeah, this pairs perfectly with this. I love it. I just wanted to show that to you guys. And let's do a little final look-see. Alright, you guys, and again, this video was a collab with the wonderful Carrie LaRae, and it was at the request of Kira. So, Kira, thank you for suggesting this. Carrie, thank you for collabing with me. You guys go subscribe to Carrie's channel, show her some love. And this was with the Cosmic Brushes, the Lovers palette. Just beautiful, beautiful. And if you guys are here from Carrie's channel, thank you so much for watching this video, for checking out my channel. I appreciate it so much. Please do me a favor, stick around, subscribe, comment anything down below. Are you a fan of this or these looks? Just let me know. I'd really appreciate it. And most importantly, remember you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.